I'm a fool for your love.
Hey guys, I am VILLAROSA, and in this video, I will show you the things that you need to do before, during, and after an earthquake occurs. So just sit back, relax, and enjoy the video.
It's important to read. Oh, fine!
What to do before an earthquake. So here are the things that you need to prepare. First is to make sure that you have a fire extinguisher in case a fire breaks out. And don't forget your first aid kit, your battery-powered radio, and flashlight, and your extra batteries. Also, don't forget to plan out where to evacuate. And then prepare or pack out the things that you'll need, like clothes and your canned goods. And just a reminder, don't leave any heavy objects on high areas or your shelves. So that's what you need to prepare. What to do during an earthquake. During an earthquake, the first that you need to do is don't panic and stay calm. The next important thing is to duck, cover, and hold. And you might want to get under a desk. If you're indoors, stay inside. And if you're outdoors, stay outside. And again, if you're indoors, stand against the wall, in your doorway, or crawl under any heavy furniture or your desk or table. And then if you're in a moving vehicle or car, stop your car and then wait until the earthquake stops, and then you can go up. And then if safe, you can stick to any open field and then drop, cover, and hold. What to do after an earthquake. First is to check yourself and others for injury, and then provide your first aid to everyone who needs it. Also, if possible, just stay away from the damaged areas because it is expected to have aftershocks. And don't forget to turn on your radio and then listen to the news. Then use your phones only for emergency. And if you're at work or at school, just follow your emergency instructions. And lastly, always check the water, your gas, and electric lines for any damage. And that's all.
I'm a fool for your love.